when it comes to independent events, independent means when one event is happening, the other event do not interrupt or it does not affect the other event. Okay, so when you have independent events, so probability of A, let's say A is an independent event, probability, you have probability of B, so event B is also independent, right? So if you have to find the probability of these two independent events happening of A and B, these two independent events, you can find it by taking the probability, individual probability of event A and B and multiplying them, so you will get the same answer. So this is true if the events are independent. So for example, let's say I want to toss a coin and get tastage. So this would be event 1. So one of the event. However, in event 2, I want to roll a die and get even number. So what is the probability that when I toss the coin, I will get tastage, and when I roll the die, I will get even number? So for that matter, so I'm doing two things here, right? So first I toss a coin. So what are the possible things that will appear? Either tastage or khorlo. However, if I roll a die, so what are the possible things that will appear? It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So hence this shows that there when I do these two events, the possible things that will come out is I may get tastage and 1, I may get tastage and 2, tastage and 3, tastage and 4, tastage and 5 or tastage and 6. Or it may be a khorlo and 1, khorlo and 2, khorlo and 3, khorlo and 4, khorlo and 5 or khorlo and 6. So how many items do I have? So you know that probability means favorable outcome over possible outcome. So possible outcome means all the possibility or options that I have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or 6 times 2 is 12. However, favorable means what is your favorite, or what do you want, or what you favor. I favor tastage and even number, so which means this qualifies. So these are all tastage. However, with tastage it has to be even number. So here is even, and even. So which means how many qualifies? So only how many qualifies? Sorry. So only 1, 2, and 3. So 3 options. So this is like 1 out of 4. So 1 over 4, right? Now, however, since event 1 and event 2, happening of event 1 do not have any connection with happening of event 2. So when I toss a coin and get tastage, it doesn't affect the event of rolling a die. Hence, this is independent events. So therefore, if these are independent events, probability of T and probability of E can be taken differently. Just have to multiply. So let's see. So what is the probability of getting tastage? So when you toss a coin, there is only two possibilities, either tastage or khorlo. So out of two options, tastage is only 1, so 1 out of 2 times how many possible things are there when you roll a die. So either it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Even numbers, I want even numbers, right? So out of 6 I need to choose only even numbers. So there are 3 even numbers. So 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 6 is 12, which is again 1 over 4. So see, the answers are both same, which means this formula is working. So if the events are independent, you do not have to find it directly. You can take the individual probability and multiply it.